Herkese merhaba. That's hello everyone in Turkish. And welcome to the first episode of our Istanbul travel series. I'm so excited to be here with my two closest friends, exploring everything this incredible city has to offer. Hi, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Julibe from the Philippines. Currently, I'm living and working in the Kingdom of Bahrain. I'm on a journey to explore the world one adventure at a time while figuring out this roller coaster ride called Life in My 30s. In today's episode of my life, we're starting with the basics. Where to stay in Istanbul. Choosing the right accommodation can make or break your travel experience, and for us, it was all about comfort, location, and that authentic local touch. This is just the start of our travel adventure, so grab your Turkish coffee, relax, and join us as we explore the heart and soul of Istanbul. Let's get started! I am back in a city that holds a special place in my heart, Istanbul. This is actually my second time here and I'm so excited to experience it all over again. This time with my two closest friends. For our 4-day trip, we stayed at a charming spot in the heart of the old city, World Heritage Hotel.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go.
We got a triple room that was just right. Clean, bright, and surprisingly spacious.
I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
One of the best things about World Heritage Hotel? Location. We walked everywhere. The Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, even the Grand Bazaar were all just minutes away. And that's a little peek into where we stayed during this unforgettable trip. If you're heading to Istanbul soon, check out World Heritage Hotel. It's got heart, charm, and the best location.
Thank you for the free.
Story.